Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, we are in collaboration with Modelones. They sent me over this very beautiful Polygel starter kit. This kit comes with 6 Polygel colors that I'm going to swatch later on for you guys. This is the user manual. They also include some Dualforms. And it's been a while since I've used these, so I was pleasantly surprised with the shape that these created. They also sent a mini UV LED lamp. They sent a base coat and a top coat. There is also a slip solution. This is the double-ended brush and picker. And lastly, the nail file, which is a 100/180 grid. So here I'm just opening everything up before I begin my swatches. I love how small and compact the mini UV LED lamp is. I love that it has little legs for you to be able to prop it up, and you can just fold them in, take this on the go if you're traveling and you weren't able to apply your nails. You could just throw this in a bag and you're good to go. Here I'm just putting some of the slip solution in the side of a jar. Just kind of getting myself ready for the nail application. Excuse me, it kind of, I think I pressed on it a little bit too hard. So the first color I'm swatching is 436, which is a really pretty dark green. It's really, really pretty, by the way. This was like really a nice color. And then there is a sparkly green, and it has little glitter reflex in it. And then this one is the red color. And I really love how vibrant this red is. I've not seen such a vibrant red in a polygel color before. And then again, a glittery red. And you guys can see like it has little red reflex in it, which is so pretty. And then we have a gold glitter. You know, glitter is extremely in season right now. And again, the gold glitter is a little bit more on that sheer side as far as the pigment compared to the red. And then we also have a silver. So this is what all of the swatches are looking like so far. And I'm going to go ahead and cure them under that mini UV lamp because I want to see if they truly harden. As you can see, all of the polygel is fully cured. So to my surprise, this mini UV LED lamp actually fully cures the polygel. So in most cases, I always recommend going in under a big lamp to fully cure, but no, this really did the job, guys. So that is an amazing mini lamp. It cured just like one of my full power lamps, so that surprised me. Here I am utilizing a hand that is not mine today, and I'm just going to go ahead and use that base coat and put on a layer on each finger. If you see the pinky, I had already applied it. I just wanted to kind of see how the Dualforms were applying the nail and how straight, or if it had like much of a curve to it. And I'm honestly really excited that it wasn't super curved. I like a straighter nail. And after applying that base coat, I'm also using the lamp to cure that as well. I'm going in with that silver polygel as you guys saw previously in the number 414. I'm applying it into the Dualforms because I've already sized it to each nail. And I'm going in with the brush and some of the slip solution and just working that into the Dualform. Now what you'll see me doing here is using the flat side of the brush with the slip solution to just press and work that product into the Dualform. And I'm moving it up to the same line on each Dualform to make sure that all of the nails are the same length. And when we get down to the very base that's near the cuticle of the nail, I am just making sure that that is a little bit thinner because you don't want that super thick with a lot of product in it. And anything that I feel is too much at the very base, I'm going to work that down towards the tip so that we have a good amount of thickness when it comes to the tip of the nail, so we don't have any weak spots, you know. Right here, I'm applying that nail with the polygel to the nail, and I'm just positioning it to make sure that it's straight before I go in and cure it. And as you can see here, I'm going to maneuver it a little bit more just to ensure that it's not sliding to the wrong direction. And we're just going to let that fully cure. The lamp usually goes for, I want to say, I don't know, maybe like 15 to 20 seconds. So I just let it cure that full amount of time. And then I just pop the nail form off. And here I'm just repeating the same steps for all of the nails. So I'm going to just let you guys go ahead and watch that. Same exact technique, same application. And again, I'm using the same measurement guide on the Dualforms for each nail. Alrighty, and once all of the forms are off, I'm going to go in with the nail file provided by Modelones, and I'm just tapping on the nails to make sure that they're hard. You'll hear it. It sounds really hard. And I'm just buffing the edge of the nail, making sure that it's nice and straight. And I'm going to also go in on the sides, making sure that we don't have like product overflow, and really sharpening up that nail shape. After shaping all of the nails, I'm also going to use the same nail file to buff the top surface of all of the nails. I want to ensure that I don't have any lumps or bumps and everything is nice and smooth. Here I'm just wiping off any nail dust with a little lint-free wipe and some alcohol. I'm going in with the Modelones top coat that came inside of that starter kit, and I'm just going to be applying that to all of the nails. And again, as I stated, I'm going to be using the mini UV LED lamp to cure that as well. And this is going to be the finished product. Thanks again to Modelones for collaborating with me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.